get to know is pieces of me. Pieces of me, pieces of me. All they get to see is pieces of me. I hide the stars I drew at night, afraid to show them in the light. I shrink myself to disappear, still my soul is loud and clear. They call me strong, they call me brave, but never see the tears I save. Behind my grin I carry weight that courage never compensates. Pieces of me, pieces of me. All they get to know is pieces of me.